And then we get to number 9. Milo was very fond of Uncle Sam, who hid a blank and compassionate nature under his blank exterior. So if he's hiding a blank and compassionate nature, that first blank has to be similar to compassionate, so that's a super positive word, and we're just going to write compassionate. Then our second blank says that he's hiding this great compassionate nature under a blank exterior. So that exterior has to be something opposite of compassionate. So looking at our answer choices, A says charming for the second blank. Now charming is positive, and we're looking for something opposite of compassionate, so that's out. Letter B says gruff. Now, you might not have ever heard of gruff, so we're going to leave that in as a mystery. Pallid. Maybe that is also a mystery for you, so we'll put a question mark there. Highbrow. Now, if something is highbrow, that's really good, and we're looking for the opposite of compassionate. So that doesn't really fit here at all, so we get rid of that one. And then E, crotchety. So you might not have heard of it, but if you have, it's a really funny word. And it would be the opposite of compassionate, kind of an old, not really that nice kind of man. So that definitely makes sense. Then just looking at the first blank, we have benevolent for letter E, which we've talked about time and again in terms of the prefix bene. So we know that that's good, which goes along with compassion, so that gets a check. Letter C says cunning. Now, I'm not sure if you've ever heard of that, so we're going to put that in as a mystery. And B is cantankerous, which we talked about before, which means negative, and we're looking for a positive word similar to compassion. So on this question, if you're down to 2, one has 2 question marks, one has 2 checks, you're definitely going with the one with the 2 checks.